I am taking a video of you and your little brother. That's Milo.
Hold him?
No, leave him where he is, please.
But I want to hold him.
I know you do.
I'll let you hold him in a little bit.
Oh, you're going to read him a story?
Don't pick him. Yeah.
I just hugged him. Hey, puppy. Owie dowie. Owie dowie. And no we go. And no, no. And we go. No, 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 no.
Is Milo enjoying the story?
Oh, green, no. I don't like the sky. I won't go, no. No, 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 no. There we go. No, no, no. I don't like the sky. No, 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 no. I don't like the sky. No, 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 no. I don't like the sky. No, 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 no. I don't like the sky. No, 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 no. I don't like the sky. No, 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 no. I don't like the sky. No, 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 no. No, no, no. He's looking around.
Yeah.
Because he has his eyes open.
He sure does.
My name. You
going to give him a kiss? Good job.
There you go, baby Milo.
Okay. Say bye.
Can I see?
Now that we're done, yes.